Okay, for 104, they want us to solve for the indicated variable. So let's just go through these. So A is y equals 2x minus 5, and they want us to solve for x. So we can add 5 to both sides, right? And we get y plus 5 equals 2x, and then we can divide both sides by 2, and we get 1/2 y plus 5/2 equals x, and we would always rewrite it with the variable we're solving for on the left, right? So we could write it like that. For B, let's take a look at B. We have P equals negative 3w plus 9, and we want to solve for w. So I could subtract 9, right? Subtract 9. And I get P minus 9 equals negative 3w. And we could divide by negative 3. And I would get negative 1/3 P plus 3 equals w. And then rewrite it as w equals negative 1/3 P plus 3. For C, by the way, you'll see that some people will leave it as, w equals negative P, equals, let me erase that. You'll see that some people will leave the answer as w equals P minus 9 over negative 3. I feel that this way is a little more elegant to write it as, but this would not be incorrect, right? Okay, and then C, let's make space. C, we have 2m minus 6 equals 4n plus 4, and we solve for m. So we add 6 to both sides. So I have 2m equals 4n plus 10. Then we divide both sides by 2, and we get m equals 2n plus 5. M equals 2n plus 5. And then for D, we have 3x minus y equals negative 2y. And they want to solve for y, so I just divide. Oh, sorry. Didn't see that y there, right? So for this one, we have to get all our y's to one side, right? So I'll add 2y to both sides. And I get 3x plus y, right? Negative 1 plus 2 is plus 1 equals 0. Subtract 3x from both sides. I could have brought my y's to the other side, doesn't matter. Y equals negative 3x, and we're done.